Hi, this is from GSPACE Scooter. Video today is about the light and horn combination switch change. First, loosen the grip screw, the switch screw, and the brake lever screw. Then loosen 4 screws of the handle stem. Remove the grip and the brake lever. Disconnect the switch cable and remove the older combination switch. Take a new switch and put it back to the handlebar. Then put the brake lever and the handle grip back in order. Adjust the handlebar to the right angle and fix 4 screws. It is required to tighten the screws diagonally and double-check them. Adjust the switch to suitable angle and fix it. Adjust the brake lever to the suitable angle. You can refer to the right brake lever or according to your own comfort. And then tighten the screw. Tighten the grip screw. Connect the switch cable. Turn on the LCD and test the functions of the switch like the headlight, turning light, and horn. And the change is finished.